Sing out your frustration. Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Welcome to my first video for 2019. And what better way to start the year with a wonderful personalised gift for you. I'm doing a DIY personalised floral perfume bottle. I hope you enjoy. I had so many requests recently for me to create another perfume bottle out of flowers. I wanted to create something that was personalised so you could create these for yourself. So putting my thinking cap on, I collected 3 cardboard boxes and I made sure that they created a shape of a perfume bottle. Once I could see that the design was coming to shape, I took my favourite Rust-Oleum blush candy pink and I took the boxes outside and I spray painted them pink. Jumping on my desktop, I created the personalised CHELLE No. 5 Paris perfume in an A4 size. Once the larger box was completely dry, I then took my personalised logo and I glued it onto the box. I then took these gorgeous foam blush pink flowers from eBay and off camera guys, I hot glued them over the entire box. I then continued on and glued roses over the entire box, including the left and right hand side. Taking the smaller box, I hot glued it into the centre and pointing out here, I added some additional pink roses to the top. I then took the remaining box and there's beautiful white foam flowers from eBay and I hot glued them over the entire box. This is going to be the lid to our perfume bottle. I then hot glued this to the top of my bottle. Then to give it a little sparkle, I took this JoJo inspired dollar store sparkly bow and I added it to the front. This was such a simple and inexpensive DIY that anyone could create. I had so much fun creating this for you and I love that I could personalise it individually for you.
Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt.
I've always been about sharing ideas on how to decorate on a budget. Here is a prime example of using cardboard boxes and some of those inexpensive foam flowers from eBay. Now I used 3 bags of 100 here guys, and I'll leave a link to the eBay store down below. This would be such a cute addition to your beauty room or possibly a table centerpiece. It would be a wonderful photo opportunity at a birthday party. The possibilities are endless and it's entirely up to you.
But I told you so.
I am definitely a girly and glam girl at heart, and nothing makes me more happy than seeing a simple DIY take on a glam, beautiful feel. And I love sharing with you a personalised item that you could all create yourselves with your own name. How gorgeous would it be to walk into your room with your own floral perfume bottle with your own name attached?
Keep on acting out like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart.
Guys, I have so many wonderful ideas in store for 2019. My mind has gone into overdrive with ideas that I'm going to bring to you this year.
Nothing's gonna save us from our doubt.
I know that you all enjoy seeing glam DIYs, and I love to hear feedback from you on what you'd like to see next.
But I told you so.
So thank you so much for watching, my sweet friends. I hope you've really enjoyed my first video for 2019. I hope I've inspired you in some small way to have a go at your very own personalised floral perfume bottle. A big shout out and thank you has to go to each and every one of you. We have just reached over 18,000 subscribers, guys. My heart is truly full. What a wonderful way to start 2019.
Nothing's gonna make us spell it out.
I still can't wait to share my 20,000 subscriber giveaway that I have planned for you. So I would really appreciate if you like, share and subscribe to my channel and join me here at Chelle's Glam Home. I hope you have all enjoyed celebrating the beginning of a new year. There is nothing like a new year, guys. New beginnings, new meanings, and most of all, being appreciative for every day we have.
Won't you sing out your frustration?
Decorating has always been such a passion of mine, and I truly enjoy so much bringing wonderful ideas to you that I know that you will enjoy.
Your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside.
I'm sure you came across many a box when you were cleaning up your Christmas decor. Next time, take a look at that box you're about to throw out. Look at its shape, its size and its texture. It could be transformed into something as simple as a DIY floral perfume bottle.
And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
So once again, guys, I appreciate you watching so much. I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart.